This is a video of Johnny wearing his birthday party hat. Johnny, do you want to run through the balloons? Johnny, 3 today. Show mommy the balloon. Pull it all the way down. Okay. Now I'm taking a video. A video, yeah. A video of you when you're 3 years old. You got balloons. You just finished your birthday party, but you're still opening your presents. Yeah, what did you get today? What presents did you get? Birthday presents? Oh, this is one of Johnny's birthday presents. Let me bring it so that I can show it. It's a doggy. It's a pug. It's a pug that's always seen in the window in the shop. And he always wanted one. He has one. Different colors, Johnny? Different colors. Why don't you show us what you got for your birthday from Grandma and Grandpa? Show Mommy what you got for your birthday from Grandma and Grandpa. It's over there. Over there.
Scooter, John.
Go get your scooter. Your scooter is from Grandma and Grandpa. You want to see Grandma? They're not on video. We're making a video for them. We're making a video. Do you want to show them how you can ride it?
Okay. I tried. This is different. It's different.
Now you gotta show them how you ride the scooter.
Oh,
Ride the scooter for Mommy.
it's different.
Okay, you're playing with balloons.
It's different. It's the dot in the right order.
In the right order. All done? You're still organizing. You're still organizing.
I'm done. I'm done. I am done.
Yay! It's a balloon party.
That's what I'm saying.
Next year, just getting blues.
Okay, we'll restart this when the balloon party's over and there's something more fun going on.